If you're planning a trip to England, there are several things you should know to make your visit enjoyable and smooth. Here's a helpful guide. Traditional dishes. Try traditional English foods like fish and chips. Full English breakfast, also known as a fry-up, includes sausages, eggs, fried bread, tomatoes, mushrooms, black pudding, bacon, baked beans, and hash browns. Roast dinner, also known as Sunday roast and Christmas dinner, includes roasted meat, roasted potatoes, stuffing, Yorkshire puddings, vegetables, and gravy. Afternoon tea includes tea, scones with cream and jam, cakes and sandwiches. Restaurant times. Many restaurants stop serving food between lunch and dinner, typically from around 2:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Drinking. The most common places to drink in England are pubs, which serve drinks and food. In most pubs, you order drinks and food at the bar, not at your table. Tipping is not expected. Pubs typically close around 11 p.m., though some may stay open later. The emergency number in England is 999 for police, fire, or medical assistance. Electrical plugs. 3-pin plugs. England uses Type G electrical outlets with 230 volts and 50 hertz. Bring a power adapter if your devices use a different type of plug. Weather is unpredictable. England is known for its variable weather. It can be sunny, rainy, and windy all in one day. What to pack? Bring layers, a waterproof jacket, and an umbrella. Comfortable walking shoes are also essential, especially for exploring cities like London on foot. Public transportation. England has an extensive public transport network, including trains, buses, and the London Underground, also known as the Tube. During rush hours, public transport can be crowded. If you're spending time in London, get an Oyster card or use contactless payment for easy access to public transport. It's often cheaper than buying individual tickets. Mind the gap. When using the Underground, you'll hear this phrase often. It refers to the gap between the train and the platform. Driving. Left-hand traffic. In England, cars drive on the left side of the road. If you're renting a car, this is crucial to remember. England has many roundabouts instead of traffic lights. Learn how to navigate them if you're driving. Driving in cities like London can be challenging due to narrow streets, heavy traffic, and congestion charges. Consider using public transport instead. People. English people are generally polite and value manners. Saying please, thank you, and sorry goes a long way. English people take queuing, lining up, very seriously. Always join the back of the queue. Language differences. Some words differ from American English. For example, chips in England are fries in the US, and football refers to soccer. Familiarize yourself with common British phrases. For instance, cheers can mean thanks or goodbye, and rubbish means trash. Currency. The currency in England is the British pound sterling. Credit and debit cards are widely accepted, but it's a good idea to carry some cash for smaller establishments. Currency exchange. Airports and exchange bureaus offer currency exchange services, but you often get better rates at ATMs or by using a credit card. Hotels. Premier Inn hotels are a reliable and affordable chain with comfortable rooms and can be found in most towns. Travelodge is another budget chain offering simple, clean accommodation, which can also be found in most towns. Historical sites. England is full of historical sites like the Tower of London, Stonehenge, and numerous castles. Many museums, such as the National Gallery and the British Museum in London, offer free entry. Tipping. In restaurants, a service charge, usually around 10 to 12%, is sometimes included in the bill. Check your receipt, and if you are unhappy with the service charges, you can challenge them. Tipping in bars, cafes, and for other services is not mandatory but appreciated for excellent service. October to March. From October to March, sunrise is later, from about 7 to 8 a.m., and sunset is earlier from about 3 to 4 p.m. during the winter months in England. Most holiday parks are closed for 1 to 4 months over the winter months. The holiday parks that are open during the winter usually offer cheaper rates compared to the summer months. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe for more travel tips.